Hello, my friends. Today, our TM's recipe is delicious and very useful. The first thing I prefer to talk about is a huge thank you, my friends, for your interaction in the previous videos. And share it with your friends. Today's recipe is from the Swiss countryside. It is very popular and does not require many ingredients. I think it is available in all homes. At the beginning of the recipe, we need 25 grams of sugar and 7 grams of yeast. We also add 215 ml of warm milk to them. We mix the materials together. We add 350 grams of flour and 2 grams of salt. We start kneading after it becomes a cohesive dough. We also add 25 grams of butter, preferably at room temperature. After that, we return to kneading again for 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and cohesive. As I tell you every time, you can use a kneading machine. After that, we add 75 grams of walnuts. We mix it with the dough as you saw, then we bring a bowl and grease it with oil. We put the dough in the bowl and cover it for 50 minutes until it ferments and doubles in size. My friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. This thing helps me grow the channel. After the dough ferments and doubles in size, we cut it into 8 pieces as you saw. We form it into small balls. I will be very happy if you write to me in the comments from which country you watch me. Please write your opinions, whether negative or positive, as this matters to me. After that, we bring the dough ball. We spread it on the table and shape it as you saw. When the dough is soft, it is easy to work with. It does not take much time and the result is positive. After completing the formation of the dough, bring 1 egg and whisk it well. We start by greasing the pieces of bread. Then we place the walnuts cut into small pieces on the surface of the bread, as you will see. After completing the formation of the bread and placing the walnuts on it, we place it in the oven pan and cover it for 35 minutes, until it doubles in size. During the waiting time, my friends, you can drink a cup of hot coffee, as the weather requires drinking anything hot. As I told you before, my family and I live in Germany, and in the winter it is very cold. There is so much rain and snow that the sun does not shine in the winter except a little at times. After that, we prepare 35 grams of egg whites. We also add 50 grams of powdered sugar. We also need 30 grams of fine almonds, or any type of soft nuts as desired. We mix the ingredients together until they become soft and tender. Then we put the mixture in the cream bag and draw it on the surface of the bread, which has risen and doubled in size, as you can see. Then we sift a little powdered sugar onto the bread, as you saw. The appearance is delicious and it looks delicious. During the baking stage, we need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for a period ranging from 20 to 25 minutes. After finishing the baking process, I was very excited to taste it. I ate it while it was hot and I couldn't wait. It was so delicious and crunchy. I hope you can make it in your homes. Write to me in the comments if it is delicious or not. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video, and press the bell button to receive all new updates. I hope you stay healthy. I wish you a happy day. Thank you for watching. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.